boat was adrift and was headed toward the rocks. It is blowing crazy. Oh my God. Like, what the fuck? About 200 feet before the boat behind me, if I were to drag. Oh man. A few Christmases ago, I made a wish. Dear Santa, will you please send me a bigger boat? Guess what? I got it. Santa delivered my boat for everything. The first holiday's on my new boat, and I'm in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Merry Christmas to you.
Next episode of The SunnySailor coming up right now.
We started out like this, but horrible life situations turned us into this. The SunnySailor continues on. I'm a
Bad motherfucker.
For the SunnySailor, though, it's always paradise found. Blowing, and I am stretched tight. This shit is blowing crazy. These Christmas winds here in the Virgins, oh my God, like what the fuck is happening? I'm a little worried because, geez, it's already blowing like 35 right now, and when I looked on SailFlow, it looked nastier in my future. Oh man. My anchor's holding well, so that's good, but I am really nervous. My chain is stretched tight. I decided to go and put some more chain out because I was really nervous. I'm going to blow a little too hard for my comfort, so I put another 25 feet out. I still have about 200 feet before the boat behind me, if I were to drag. But if the winds kick up even more than this, I want to make sure there's plenty of chain out there. Hold my boat. Hold it steady. And I don't like these Christmas winds. They're nuts. I don't like it. I forgot about these Christmas winds. I forgot about this crap. I can't even get out of the water and swim. At least I'm making lots of power. So I've been listening to the radio and
Security, all stations. This is United Systems Coast Sector, San Juan, Puerto Rico.
so hearing on the radio, a sailing vessel called the Coast Guard to say that there was a boat that had broke free from its mooring in Drew Bay, and it was adrift and it was headed toward the rocks. Said it was sailing vessel Divine. 3 people left the boat. I don't know why you would leave the boat in this kind of crazy winds. Anyway, well, my friend Sylvie works on the boat Divine. They came back from their charter yesterday. She lives on shore. I tried to call Sylvie, but she didn't answer. I went into a messenger group. It was all people, boaters or land people, some of them, that are in this area. And then when I put it into the group, was adrift. Several people jumped in their boats to go and jump on board and start up the motor, hopefully not on the rocks. but trying to get it back to the mooring field. So the people who are just good Samaritans and boaters helping boaters, it's so important that we have each other, and this is a good example. So fingers crossed that that boat is not damaged, to know what's happening.
Merry Christmas from St. Thomas, the U.S. Virgin Islands. Happy holidays, happy Hanukkah, happy Yule, happy Kwanzaa, happy everything.
Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for
Loving my friends and enjoying the Christmas holidays.
dancing around the Christmas tree. Hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing out.
I love my friends and I'm so happy to be out dancing and enjoying this. The first Christmas I'm spending on my new boat, and the first Christmas I'm spending in St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands. And I appreciate you being one of my supporters. You can see the happy look on my face. And thankful for you.
Here is the update of the TheSunnySailor. I am doing great. My boat is amazing. Like, I can't believe. It's bigger, it's better, it has power, everything about this boat is an upgrade. And check out this video that I made a few Christmases ago.
Dear Santa, I've been good all year. Will you please send me a bigger boat?
Well, guess what? I got it. Santa delivered this Christmas my boat. It's amazing. Between the solar panels and the wind generator and lithium-ion batteries, everything is better about this boat. I'm so excited, and it's all mine. And I don't have to deal with anymore. So life is good, life is wonderful, and I don't mind being alone. I really kind of like it. I get a lot of work done, and then I play. So tonight, I'm going to do some playing. Anyway, life is good. Here's the update. I bought a bigger, better boat. Yay! Merry Christmas to me! I got a Starlink! So now I don't have to sweat about internet. I'm packing my Starlink. I'm so excited about this. It's going to be great. I have had Google Fi, which if you don't go back to the US every 3 months, then they cancel you. Since I'm now in the US territory, I could use it and it'd be great. But it says unlimited. That's not true. 50 gig, it throttles you. So I also have T-Mobile. T-Mobile also throttles me and won't work when I go to other countries. Google Fi would work, but only for 3 months. But now I don't have to. I got me a Starlink for Christmas. A Starlink for Christmas. I got me a Starlink because I deserve it, and I want to keep making content for you. So let's see what's inside this bad boy. Golly, it's bigger than I thought. That's what she said. Instructions. What do the instructions say? Do not touch it with your hands. Did I put my boob on it? I can't remember. Never gets old. Read the instructions, Kara. Who does that? Oh, look at that. I made it the shape of it so you can't put it in the wrong way. Look at that. It has that right there. That's kind of cool. Snap it in. Okay, so I'm going to turn the power on, and I'm going to see what kind of draw it has as far as amperage. My other boat, I would not have been able to do this because this requires an inverter and lots of power. I think we got it covered in the battery department. My other boat, I couldn't have done this because that captain would have constantly given me hassle about having the inverter on to run this, but I got a better boat. I got a better boat. All right, but I am going to check and see how much power it draws. Okay, let's do that. It looks like it only reduced my power by 1 amp, so that's good. Today it's kind of rainy. I'm still pulling in 5, but I can turn on my wind gen and get a little more power from that. This goes outside, that stays inside. Got little holes in it where I can zip tie it. Oh yeah, I gotta get my phone. Oh, you on my phone. Gotta start that. I'll be right back. So I got my satellite receiver, whatever it's called, dish, whatever, and I got it outside. I'll worry about it sitting right there. It's kind of exposed and high winds. I'm like, I don't know what's gonna happen with that. But if I can make it flat like this and just have the poles sticking down, then I tie it down next to the solar panels, and actually you might not even notice it up there because I worry about Zev. I guess nobody else could use it because I would have to disconnect it from my account. So I guess, I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm so excited. I already plugged it in. And guess what? I got 125 MBs. That's crazy. Like I never get more than 10. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be posting a lot of stuff. I'm gonna do a lot of stuff. Yay. I need to upload stuff for you. And Starlink is my answer. Thank you, Santa. What a great gift. I bought myself. Merry Christmas to you. I'm all dressed for Christmas. Do you like it? Look at my sexy dress. Look at that. Look at that. See through, but only so far. It's just a tease. Yes. Woo. Yes, I'm wearing panties. Just a tease. Like me. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. I'm gonna keep making that content for you. I'm not gonna quit until I'm old and gray. Well, I'm already old, but I'm not gray. So that's when I say thank you for being one of my followers and supporting me. My patrons on Patreon are really awesome. So if you haven't done that, click it, click it, click it. Did I tell you Patreon supporters get uncensored stuff? Did I tell you that Patreon supporter gets behind the scenes stuff that nobody else gets? Okay, well I just told you. My videos are also available on demand. TheSunnySailor. Get yours today. All of it. And yeah, there's even uncensored there too. Come back again and again to watch more of what I got to show you. Oh, if you haven't done so, please remember to follow, comment, like, and subscribe, both on this platform and on my website, TheSunnySailor.com. There's all kind of good stuff there available too. You should check it out.